Take a look at these two sentences. Canada is in the northern part of the United States, or Canada is north of the United States. Many people don't know which of these sentences is right because they don't know the difference between north and northern. All right, hi, it's me, Joe, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to teach you the difference between north and northern so you won't make mistakes like these again. All right? I can teach you the difference in a few short minutes between these words, and I'll help you remember it forever. All right? In case you don't know who I am, my name is Joe, and I teach English to foreign students at a university in Canada. And I love helping people improve their English. If you like this video, why don't you hit the subscribe button down below and also that notification bell. When I make new videos, you can be notified. All right? So first, let's talk about the meanings. What do these words mean, north and northern? North of, that equals not part of a country, city, or region. And northern part of, that equals part of a country, city, or region. That's a very important difference. So these ideas are the same for south, east, and west. Okay? Here are some examples with a map. As you can see, and you should know, Canada is an independent country. So it is not part of the United States. So Canada is north of the United States. Right there. Right? So north of means not part of. Just means north. Go north. If we look closer, we can see the city Washington, D.C. It is a part of the United States, and it is close to the East Coast. So, Washington, D.C. is in the eastern part of the United States. Just remember, something part of a country or not part of a country. That's the key to these words. Now, here are some quiz questions. See if you can remember. Here's number 1. England is north of or in the northern part of France. And the right answer is north of, right? England is not part of France. Two separate countries. Here's number 2. Japan is east of or in the eastern part of China. And the right answer is east of. Of course, Japan is not part of China. Here's number 3. India is south of, in the southern part of Asia. Is in the southern part of Asia because India is part of Asia. Of course, look at the map. It's part of Asia. Number 4, Chile is west of or is in the western part of Argentina. And the answer is west of, because Chile and Argentina are two separate countries, right? Not part. So, is west of. Here's number 5. Sicily is south of or is in the southern part of Italy. And the right answer is in the southern part of. because Sicily is part of Italy. Yes. Here's the last one, number 6. Istanbul is west of or in the western part of Turkey. And the right answer is in the western part of, because Istanbul is part of Turkey. It's inside Turkey. Okay? All right. I hope you like this short video. I hope you can remember the rules. Is it part of or not part of? All right. Here's something that you could do. Write a sentence down in the comments and tell me the location of your city or country using direction words. I'll read it and tell you if you got it right or wrong. All right? If you want to continue learning, click on this link here and you'll see me in a different video, different beard, different shirt, a couple more hairs. All right? But the most important thing is that you keep studying. And by the way, do you understand North and Northern now? That's it for now. See ya.